In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone flickering screen issues. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of immediate fixes. So first things first, try force restarting your phone. If that doesn't, go ahead and solve it. Try to head into your settings and then look for your accessibility settings. And once you're inside of your accessibility settings, all you need to go ahead and look for is going to be your display and text size. So let me just go ahead and show you that real quick. So right over here, when you're in this, you can simply go ahead and turn off the auto brightness, which is going to be right over here, just like that. If that doesn't still help it, then go ahead and navigate to your settings and then look for your display settings. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. Right over here, display and brightness, and turn off the always on display option if you are having the flickering screen issue, right? If it's not the case with that, then it could be your software update. So simply head into your general and click on software update. And if there is an update, try updating it. If none of the software tricks solving your problem, then go ahead and try to head into a Apple store, which will go ahead and indicate if there is any hardware issues that you have. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.